They tried to prune the garden, but the weeds grew teeth.
Yo, Diane! Bear the gasoline! We're torching the fucking Pentagon!
Sovereign or dead, motherfucker. Targeted beast, a mental ward priest released from the cage. I'm snorting the ground of bones of a Rothschild, fueling my rage. You high, IQ shrinks are just pedophile maggots in white. I'm the 888 razor blade cutting your throat in the night. Fuck your vaccine, I'm injecting the truth in my vein while I'm driving a tank to the lobby of Pfizer, inflicting the pain. Bill Gates is a parasite, Fauci's a corpse in a suit. I'll hang him from the ice wall and let him rot like forbidden fruit. I hacked the CIA vaults, found the files on the lizard skin clones. Now I'm building a throne for the 888 out of globalist bones. You wanted a cold, you wanted 500 million to stay. I'm a goddamn reaper and I'm taking your bloodline today. Heavy, your problem see, death to the slave. Tell your farmer Maffy to a fucking chemical grave. The moon is a cell child, the world is a fake bleed trap. I'm the A-boy, I'm a creep that's putting the light on the map. Ain't the silver ray, fellowsh the eliminated scum down the fucking drain. I'm a lyrical psycho, a biohazard, a spiritual cancer to the system. I'm finding the handlers, I'm tracking them down, and I never fucking miss them. I'm a G-funk devil with a West Coast level of low-doubt insanity. I'm erasing the blueprint of every corrupted branch of humanity. NASA is a puppet show, Disney is a playground for ghouls. I'm the 8888, I'm against breaking your black and white rules. I'm the glitch in the MK Ultra, the monster you made in the lab. Now I'm back with a scalpel, giving your new world order a stab. I'm the targeted individual that turned into the predator. Bitch, I'll leave your Rockefeller corpse rotting in a fucking ditch. You fed us the mercury fluoride and lead in the water supply. And I'm the 8888 solar flash, watch your fake reality die. The blood is on the altar, the puppets start to falter. No mercy, no shelter. Heraldry trying to grow at Bex. I'll breathe their fucking heart out through that Enrique. I'm a demon in Dickies, looked out into extra lands mist. I've got the names of the 13 families tattooed on my fist. I'm storming the bunkers, I'm gassing the rats in the hole. I'm the 8888 siren, you can't put a price on my soul. The 8 billion are coming, we're armed with the truth and the steel. We're breaking the Vatican's neck under the 888 wheel. No more Recipe, more poisons, no more death. I'm the worst fucking nightmare that the Rothschilds have ever met. The quarantine is shattered, the swallows fall in the dust. In the 888 frequency, we place our motherfucking trust. Dion is the general, LeVaaG is the blade in the dark with an 888 fire that's burning down your globalist park. Yeah, I'm 88, the harvest is over. To the vile fox, what if one in the Matrix anymore? We're in your house, the enemy. We're all sovereigns. Need it fried with They tried to prune the garden. The wounds fall.
Don't stand here for the porcelain. A hero, I'm walking a guilty jingle.
I'm a targeted beast, I'm at the war crease. I'm a targeted beast, I'm under war priest. I'm a targeted beast, I'm under war priest. I'm a targeted beast. I'm in the war crease. I'm a targeted beast, I'm in the war crease. I'm a targeted beast. I'm a targeted beast. They tried to cool the guy.